Hello, my name's Vikki and I work on the apprenticeship team at South Essex College. Today I'm joined by Simon, who is head of the marine engineering course here at South Essex College. We take on lots of apprentices, and if you're looking to take one on, we're going to tell you how you can do this. So hi Simon. So employers in this industry might not know that we even exist because it's a very rare and unique course. Tell us a little bit more about the marine engineering course itself.
Yeah, so the course is an apprenticeship. It's a 4-year apprenticeship on day release. And yeah, you're perfectly right. Even when I was an apprentice back in the 80s, there was no course. You'd go on a car mechanics course. And that's what it's been like ever since, unless they're sending further afield such as Southampton, the Isle of Wight or Hull, which is an additional cost. So yeah, as a result of many employers on the River Thames and in the London area, they approached the Thames Skills Academy, who approached us and said, could we produce a course in the South East of England? So that's what we've done.
And why is it really important that you're heading this up?
So we've got identified a huge skills gap within the industry as well. So we've got an ageing population of marine engineers across the UK, and unfortunately there are no younger apprentices, or any apprentices actually of any age, coming on to replace them. So that skills gap is becoming bigger and bigger, and we're having less experienced people out there in the marine engineering world.
It's obviously, as you touched upon, it's really important to try and get that succession plan so that they get a little apprentice to move up through the ranks. And how do we help the employer with that? Obviously we can help to recruit them, but what other things do we do with the employer?
So we work really, really closely with the employer, and also alongside Thames Skills Academy, who are responsible for the marine in the River Thames area. They will assist us in finding employers. Obviously the employers can go to them looking for apprentices. We can recommend apprentices as well that come through the college here within engineering courses, but also outside of that network of the River Thames. Obviously we've got all the tidal rays around 360 miles around Essex and the coastlines of Kent, if you like, that again are looking or should be looking for marine engineers in the future.
And also, we've got the fantastic scheme at the moment that the government are laying on with apprentices. If they decide that they want to take on an apprentice, they're actually going to get some cash back from the government. So it's up to £2,000 if they take on an apprentice who is 16 to 20. And if they're over 20, they'll get £1,500. How does that help the industry as well? Because it's not a cheap course, is it?
No, it's massively impactful as well, and there is no better time than now, because yeah, the course is a £26,000 course. However, that's pretty much 95%, if not 100% funded by the government in any case.
Yeah.
We've got other systems available as well, so we work closely with the Worshipful Fellowship of Shipwrights. We've currently got 5 grants for £10,000 per year for the first year of an apprentice, which is a non-payable back grant. So if you're accepted, then that's £10,000 towards your apprentice for the first year as well.
Yeah.
So we're working with other sort of charities as well to help the employer.
And also, it's so good that it's only 1 day a week release. It means that the employer is going to gain the full benefit of them 4 days a week working on their boats, actually out on the water, and 1 day here in this fabulous workshop. With employers, can they come and have a sneaky peek around here as well?
Yeah, absolutely. Any input from employers, any guidance from employers will take on board. So this course, for instance, we could have dealt it as a 5-day a week or 4-day a week course, because the employers wanted exactly as you said, 1 day a week, so the apprentice could work at the workplace for 4 days. That's why we built it this way. So that doesn't mean that they're just here for 1 day a week and they're there for 4. When they're there for 4 days, I will be in the workplace probably every 6 weeks anyway, working with them, doing live practical assessments with them and assessing their work in the workplace. So they are here and I'm here, but I'm also there with them as well.
Yeah, brilliant. And you've got quite a big experience in this ground anyway, and why do you think employers find that so good to have someone who is on the tools, if you like?
Marine engineering is very community-led. Whatever happens on the river, once it happens at one end of the river, it works its way up to the other end of the river, really. So they like consistency. They like the experience of people on the river. I've sort of 30 years afloat and working within the marine industry in any case. So, and that reputation sort of goes back over those years. So the course has got to be good for my reputation, because if the course goes bad for whatever reason, then that's my reputation gone as well.
Yeah, definitely. Brilliant. Thank you very much, Simon. So if you're an employer looking to take on an apprentice, or maybe you would like to know a little bit more about the course, the grants and the different benefits it could help with your business, then why not go over to the South Essex College website and find us.